So we'll go through what Merch by Amazon is and teach you how it works, how to come up with design ideas, and how to study different trademarks so you can do it correctly and start generating money yourself. The profit is generated through Amazon merchandise royalties. As you can see, they're not that expensive. They're probably around $2 to $3 per outfit. The reason for this is that lower pricing seeks to increase sales. Welcome to Financial Fluence. In this video, you'll learn how to make $30,000 on Amazon by selling merchandise. Let's now get going. Merch by Amazon is, at its core, a print-on-demand business where you work with Amazon to create products like t-shirts or tote bags. When people buy your ads, they'll actually print and complete your orders for you. It's not necessary to keep shirts in stock or send them to customers after they buy them. Only the digital files need to be uploaded. Everything else will be taken care of. The fact that you might start with only money is quite fantastic. You can use a choice of shirt-making templates, for instance, from Canva. You don't need to create your own designs. You can simply enter one of these templates. This, however, cannot be worn as a shirt. Click a different template. Edit it to say, "I love my dad," or something comparable after clicking that template. Save it as a PNG file. The standard advice is to export a 300 dpi PNG file at a size of 4,500 by 5,400. Let's go over how to register on Amazon Merch before we start. Visit merch.amazon.com. Click the Sign Up button and then follow the on-screen directions to access your Amazon account. This post is from the website helium10.com. You can see that to sign up, you must click this button. You'll need to fill out this form with your company's contact information, bank account and routing numbers, social security, and any other tax identification number. If you don't have an LSC, you can use your first and last name as the business name. Before you can actually fill out the application method with your other information, you'll need to supply your tax information, SS number, and everything else. These are equivalent to showcasing your series. You must include all of these many elements, and once finished, you must add more. If you have a design portfolio, you should show it to show that you have design experience. You can talk about this on your social media sites to get your fans to buy Amazon products. Amazon will think it's good if you can add value to the platform, post your beautiful designs there, and get more people to follow you and visit the site. You should most likely show off any prior designs you've uploaded to sites like Teespring or Redbubble. You want to make sure that all of your designs are unique, that you are not plagiarizing, and that you are entirely capable of producing your own work. So, the more you talk about Amazon Retail and point out its benefits, the better your chances of getting into it. Waiting to find out if you've been accepted is the next step. Depending on how Amazon distributes invites, this process could take weeks or months. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. And let's continue. Let's enter the actual dashboard. Amazon products have a tiered system. So, if you want to move from the 10 tier to the 25 tier, you have to sell at least 10 of their products. Because of this, it's not just about sales, but also about the quality of the products you sell. So make sure you're doing so. Starting at tier 10, you'll advance to tiers 25, 100, and finally 500. They include an automatic product upload feature to increase your retail reach. In order to create new listings in marketplaces for other retail products, they will make use of your already existing images and translate product information. Now they have a technique to automatically apply that design to various things. If you want to sell it on tees and hoodies, for instance, it counts as one design, one published design. However, you can post it as well if you have all of these various components. To publish the artwork, you must hit create while it's still being created. Use Photoshop to design "I love my dad" or "I love my mom," such that it is getting bigger and bigger. By eliminating the backdrop, exporting, and saving it as a PNG, let's make sure it's more than merely text. We must first go to uspto.gov before writing this on the piece of artwork. This method is used to prevent trademark infringement. They can kick you out if you break the rules too often, so this research should keep you going. You must be careful to respect trademarks. Let's go to uspto.gov to see if this works. You can see that the phrase "I love my dad" has not been trademarked. Thus, we are set to go. After publishing this and that design, let's create only one shirt. To make sure that it doesn't violate any trademarks, if it were taken down, only a garment would be deleted. In this way, we can wear different hues. Let's begin with red because some of these hues are harder to notice than others. Let's say they're $14.90. That's quite low. You'll only gain $38, but if it begins selling, volume will make up for it. You can do this till it ranks, then raise the price if you wish. Pricing lower in order to outperform the competition may work in your favor. You must now include a design title, brand feature bullets, and other features. This may be useful for creating a gift for dad, or it may be useful for SEO, so that if someone searches for it, they may come across this. It's unlikely, but simply adding new phrases like great gift for dad, for Father's Day, for your father's birthday, or uncle's can try to rate it. Without a doubt, you should do that, but for the time being, let's post this to demonstrate how it works. If you want to generate money from it, make it searchable so that it can be reviewed and listed in search results. However, if you want something for yourself or a buddy, please post it. We'll upload it immediately because that's how the real-time approach will work. They will then review it to see if it will be accepted. Everything should be alright because we conducted the research. It is currently under review as you can see, and we will keep an eye on its progress. When it's available on Amazon, it will be tagged as live. Let us now discuss how to get shirt design ideas. Browse for gifts such as dad's clothes, or look at Amazon's bestseller list to help you come up with unique Amazon commerce ideas. Let's start with an I Love My Dad tee, which has received 20 ratings when clicked on. By scrolling down, you can discover their best-selling list. In general, anything under $100,000 is likely to sell quickly, so figuring out how much competition there is a good idea. There will be a lot of competition because there are over 2,000 outcomes. Given the scale, a huge number of people will undoubtedly participate. You can get humorous dad shirts on Etsy or Pinterest, for example. Consider Redbubble, TeePublic, and Teespring. This will allow you to see, oh, these shirts are selling, but these aren't. But you should just take ideas from this and consider what kind of shirts you can produce yourself. If you like, you can go out and buy your own clothes. It's a brilliant idea because the more shirts you have, the more sales you can make. As a result, to enhance your chances of producing more shirts, you should tier up as quickly as feasible. One of the most important pieces of advice is to go out and buy your own clothes, as well as the USPTO thing, because you don't want to get banned, and you want to make as many sales as possible while avoiding as many infractions as possible. This helps you design shirts for Merch by Amazon, start a business with Merch by Amazon, come up with ideas, and avoid trademark problems when selling Amazon products. It is critical to comprehend each of these different elements. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos, and if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.